So hi everyone, and I'm Slesha back here on my channel, and in today's video I'll tell you that how can you generate a random number using Python. So here I am on VS Code. From here I'll be opening a folder, and then we'll be creating a Python file in this folder. You can give any name to it. After that you need to import the random module, save it. Then after that, you can create a variable. This random module is very useful because as a beginner, when you will create Python projects, in many projects they use this module to generate a random number from a dice or anything like that. So here we have created a variable. Now in this, we'll write random dot. There are many ways to generate a random number using this module. Today I'll be telling you two methods, and please watch the video till end if you want a bonus point. And here I have created a variable. This will help you to generate a random number between 0 to 1. Uh, so when you will write print n, you will save it, and when you will run it, you will see that between you will get a decimal number over here between 0 to 1, in which 1 is not included. After that, if you want to have a number within a prescribed range, like over here, now I will create another variable in which I'll tell you another method which is most commonly used is random integer. In this, you will be given two parameters from between which you can generate any random number. Oh yeah, I have given 1 to 90. That means that between 1 that it will generate a random number between 1 to 90. So then we can save it, and we can write here print x. You can save it, and when you will run, you will see a random number between 1 to 90. So here, as you can see, they have generated 27. Like if you are working on a dice stimulator project, you might write 1 to 6. This will then it will print any random number between 1 to 6. Like here it has printed 3. So it works like that. Now comes the bonus point. So using this random module, you can also generate a range of numbers in a list. You can do that by, again, you can create any variable y equals to random dot sample, and then you will be prescribing, you will be writing here range, and then you will be writing like from 1 to 20 you need to generate the numbers, and after that comma, and here you have to write that how many numbers do you want between 1 to 20. Like here, over here, they will only generate one number, but in this, if you want to generate more than one number from a range of numbers, so you can use this function, and here you can write like I want 5 numbers between 1 to 20, and then over here I will write print y. So here you will see that between 1 to 20 they will be printing any 5 numbers. When you will run it, they have created a list, and you are having uh, 5 numbers between 1 to 20, and these two also keeps changing whenever you will run. There are many more methods, but these are the simplest method of generating a random number in Python. So I hope this video was helpful, and thanks a lot for watching.